Punctuation. In these sentences, there are some errors in the use of capital letters and punctuation. On each numbered line, there is either one mistake or no mistake. Find the group of words with the mistake in it and mark its letter on your answer sheet. If there is no mistake, mark N. 20. Children. My brother liked the roller coaster. My favourite was the log flume. As you can see, the sentence we're considering here is part of question 20, so it's all of this. We're not including any parts which come after or before this sentence, so we're only focusing on section A, section B, section C and section D. This is the end of the previous sentence. There are fast, scary rides for older children and gentle rides for younger children, and this ends appropriately with a full stop. We then have a capital letter next, which is also correct. So my brother liked is absolutely fine. We then have the words the roller coaster. My favourite was the log flume. Because we have two clauses here, we should either join them or separate them to make them into separate sentences. Perhaps the most appropriate use of punctuation then would be to use a full stop here and a capital letter here. So now we read it as, my brother liked the roller coaster. My favourite was the log flume. You may have chosen a semicolon here, which could also be considered appropriate. But to answer this question correctly, a full stop and a capital letter would be most appropriate. A semicolon would not be incorrect, but that full stop and capital letter defines one clause and the second clause here. It means then that either way, B was the right answer. Even if you chose a semicolon, it wouldn't matter. The incorrect punctuation use is within section B, so we should give B as the right answer to the question. And you can show the answer of B on the answer paper like this.